Cha.
And then
Down. Bas.
we don't need to put it
Yeah.
down.
Then next. Cha. Cha. Then ja. My spelling. Straight. It will come straight. Long. Ja.
Ja. This one the silver.
Little bit down. Little bit down. No problem.
Ja.
Because this distance is very long. Come. What is that?
Ja.
Cha.
Ja.
Then
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
yeah. Now only. No.
This one there. No. Here is not there.
Down.
Oh.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah. You forgot that.
Yeah. I was like, no.
Then now ta. Yeah. Ta. No. Think. What is that? Dha.
No.
Da means it will come.
Half only. Oh, wait.
The same thing.
There is full, no? Or no,
Yeah.
it's half only, okay.
Half only. Little confusion. Yeah. Same. This one. Dha. Da. Na. Like this. That one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ta. Na. Now next. Huh? Tha. Na. So it will come down. You have to write what happened. Right. Ta. Come like 3. Put on